spending 2 days in the snow-covered Gulmarg, Pahalgam was actually a refreshing change. Since there had not been a lot of snowfall in Pahalgam by the time we reached there, I got to see a different flavor of Kashmir. The tall pine trees and the little river that flows through this meadow, it actually looks like one of those places you go to find your peace. Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. Today I'm in Pahalgam. I will be taking you around Pahalgam. There are places to see in Pahalgam and the weather is really nice. So I'm going to take you along and show you the places that you can visit in Pahalgam, and I will give you as much information about all these places as possible so that it's easy for you guys when you want to visit Pahalgam. And I'm going to give you a review of how these places are and whether it's worth visiting. So stay tuned, and before we proceed to the video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button below and the bell icon next to it. Let's go. Pahalgam, also known as Valley of Shepherds, has many beautiful locations. Most of them can be covered by a horse ride. So we hopped onto our horses and were set to explore the scenic hill station. These points can alternatively be covered by trekking, but considering the kind of route and the length, I would not really recommend it. हमें 3 घंटे लग गए थे horse से ही. Honestly, I was not too comfortable with the horse I was riding on, but the guide took really good care and ensured that I was fine. इनके साथ थोड़ा सा bargain करना पड़ता है, but they are good. Oh God, I was so scared. वो मेरा वाला घोड़ा बहुत साइड से चल रहा था. And then I had to ask बशीर भैया to be with me, to be with the घोड़ा all throughout. मैं बहुत नाक पे दम करके रखा है बशीर भैया को, but he has been so sweet. I'm going to leave the direct number to him in the description box. If you want to come and explore this place, then you can contact him. We went to different points like Kanimarg, Baisaran Valley, Kashmir Valley, Pahalgam Valley, and of course mini Switzerland. It was so green. I can only imagine how breathtaking they would be in summers, या फिर पूरा बर्फ पड़ने के बाद. But nevertheless, the green meadows in the backdrop of those gigantic mountains, wrapped in the purest of air, was just an absolute bliss. रास्ता काफी कच्चा था and lots of different terrains. But पूरे रास्ते में the scenery was so beautiful. We had our lunch from the stalls at Mini Switzerland and descended our 3-hour-long horse ride. It was really a very different experience. After this, we decided to visit the famous Aru Valley, Betab Valley and Chandanwadi. Since these points are at a different location, we needed to book local taxis that would then take us to these places. These spots are located further upwards, and the higher we went, the colder it got, and the view more scenic. Our first stop was Aru Valley. We reached the base of Aru Valley and चारों तरफ सिर्फ पहाड़ थे. It was so peaceful. The valley can be accessed from there by a short horse ride to climb up the mountain. I know, my friends asked me the same thing. Since first time I was so uncomfortable, they asked me whether I wanted to go again on horse or not. And guess what? I decided to go again. I don't know if it is because I wanted to go up the mountain and see the view, or was it just because I wanted to overcome my fear. I kind of enjoyed this horse ride, and I'm so glad I went on the mountain because this is the view from Aru Valley.
अरू वैली है, यहाँ पे बजरंगी भाईजान, ये जवानी है दीवानी रॉक स्टार हाईवे वो यहीं पे बनी है. तो यहाँ से वो नवाजुद्दीन और मुन्नी चढ़ के जाते हैं, वो मुन्नी का घर रहता है, और यहाँ से वो सलमान खान के पीछे दौड़ते हैं इस जंगल के बीच में. तो यहीं पे उसको गोली मारते हैं और सोनमर्ग के पानी में गिर जाते हैं.
Aru Valley is really very pretty. No wonder so many movies were taken here. I would highly suggest visiting Aru Valley on your visit to Pahalgam. We spent more than an hour here, just sat there looking at the mountains in front of us. Oh my god, such an awesome feeling. We then descended to our taxi and left for our next location, Betab Valley. Betab Valley, named after the famous movie taken there, Betab. By the time we reached there, it had already become quite dark. Betab Valley was really very beautiful, with a bit of snow on the river. I mean, it looked so serene. Due to lack of time, we had to skip our further trip to Chandanwadi. We had spent most of our time in Aru Valley. But Aru Valley था ही इतना beautiful कि वापस जाने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा था. But no regrets. कहते हैं ना, कुछ पलों को और अच्छे से जीने के लिए हो सकता है कुछ मिस हो जाए. And that was an end to our epic Pahalgam trip. I hope you guys enjoyed Pahalgam as much as we did. If you guys enjoyed today's video, you guys know what to do. Hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel by clicking that red subscribe button below. I will meet you in my next video. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned. Bye.